Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how we can fix dead boot of a Realme C2 RMX1945 very easily. Okay, and guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe and share this video with your friends. As you can see, I have a Realme C2 mobile in my hand, and guys, somebody formatted this mobile. After format, this mobile is showing only MediaTek port. Okay, in device manager, okay, only MediaTek port. Phone is not going on. Okay, today I will show you how to fix it very simply using UEFI box. First of all, remove battery, camera and display, and just connect ISP point with ISP adapter, okay, or eMMC adapter. Yes, everything look like okay. As you can see, ISP points are also clean, no any short here. Okay, just connect 3 points with ground, that means 4 points. Okay, just wait, I will connect it. Yes, I already connect the ISP points, and here I will open UEFI eMMC toolbox. And here select here direct eMMC and just wait. Now identify. Okay, just check your model number and software version here. And tick here, okay, tick here and select boot partition 1 enable for boot, and then right partition configuration. Okay, and you can choose 24 megahertz here if you get any error during writing. Okay, just click here, write. Yes, done already. Now again identify your eMMC. Okay, it's look like everything okay. Yes, now click here, just click here and write only ext csd file, only ext csd file. Okay, I will give the link in video description. My phone is 16 GB ROM here, 16 GB, so I will select the file from 16 GB. Okay, here is my file, this one, Realme C2 16 GB. Yes, only ext csd file. Okay, and write. Just wait, and now identify again your eMMC. Yes, I think it's now clear. Status not lock. Okay, everything is done. Now remove ISP socket, USB cable, ISP point, and press power button with volume key. Just do factory reset and your mobile will work normally. No need to write any flash or dump file. Okay, just wait and see. I'm gonna power on my device. Yes, here now press volume minus and power key together. When you see recovery menu in your display, just remove all the keys here. Recovery mode. Recovery mode. Okay, now choose your language, then wipe data. Okay, now verification code, just enter your own verification code. Now format data. Okay, yes, now click OK and reboot. Okay, just wait, it will take some times. Right now at least 3 to 5 minutes. Just wait. Yes, right now tap on emergency call and enter here *813#. Okay, yes, as you can see, Realme C2 dead boot repair successful, and I hope it was very easy. And if you like this video, then please do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And thank you watching for this video. If you want to see awesome video like this, please subscribe and press the notification bell to get my next uploads. Okay, and thanks for watching. Take care, have a good day, bye bye. I will see you the next one very soon.